After a full day of adventuring through Colorado, covering hundreds of miles of pristine alpine territory, it was now day 5 of our journey. We have now left the resort city of Glenwood Springs to explore a state park 40 minutes away, named after its cascading waterfalls. Rifle Falls State Park is located in Garfield County and features a 70-foot triple cascading waterfall surrounded by limestone cliffs. This 48-acre park sits on the crystal clear waters of East Rifle Creek and was established in 1966 to preserve this national treasure for future generations. Parking is limited within this state park, which is why I would recommend visiting early to skip the crowds. The falls itself are only a short 50 yards from the main parking lot and easily accessible on a flat gravel path. There is a small vehicle entrance fee as well, and Rifle Falls is open from 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. daily. As you stroll through the wilderness, you may notice an abundance of wildlife, including mule deer, turkeys, elk, and coyotes. Sit back and enjoy yet another must-see destination within the mountains of Colorado. Alright guys, so it is day 5 here, and we are at Rifle Falls State Park, located on the western side of Colorado. It's just a gorgeous morning here. And this park does feature a really beautiful waterfall that's similar to the one we visited in Spearfish Canyon in South Dakota at Spearfish Falls. It looks very similar to that one, but it's even bigger. So we're just loading up right now, and we're gonna go and head down and do the short hike. And then our next stop will be Black Canyon of the Gunnison. Alright, let's go see this waterfall. And it also says there's caves here too. Yeah, these signs say there are moose and bear in this area, so gotta keep extra caution. I hear something. Oh, wow. Oh, there's a whole family. Hi, guys. Hi.
Hey. It's okay, we're not gonna hurt you.
Hi. I like your ears.
Ooh, I was curious.
Hi.
The mom gets away, the little one sticks around with you.
Yeah. They're so cute, aren't they? Looks like Dexy. I think I see it. Oh my God. Oh wow. This is way bigger than I thought. Look at this. We made it, guys.
Now we're going up to see what the top view looks like. There we go. A lot of caves too. Really coming down, man. The rain yesterday's really helped power it.
What an amazing place. It's like a bunch of different little caves over here, guys. This is really, really awesome. Oh my gosh. That is so cool. It's like a little window over here. Oh yeah, little chipmunk. He's running around here. This is just a beautiful place. Oh man, keeps going on and on. These little chipmunks running around there. This is just such a cool place. Place is so awesome, guys. Oh my gosh. What's this, Dad?
Coyote Trail.
Coyote Trail?
If we go up here, we get a top view from the falls.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I don't think it's that far. You know, do it, get it going.
Yeah, let's just go on this side here. We'll get some more vantage points. Thank you guys for watching today's hiking adventure to Rifle Falls State Park in Colorado, and stay tuned for more hiking adventures coming soon.